trillions in diamonds don't start as bling. They start as rocks buried deep in earth, and the journey from dirt to dazzle is wild. First stop, the source. Diamonds form under insane pressure and heat, then ride up in magma to pipes called kimberlite. Miners find these pipes, drill, blast, and move literal mountains of ore. Think haul trucks the size of houses crawling out of open pits, tunnels miles underground. That ore, it's not sparkling yet. It's crushed and screened into different sizes. Then comes separation. Diamonds are weirdly good at blocking X-rays, so high-speed sensors shoot bursts of air to flick diamond pieces off a conveyor. Old school trick? Grease belts. Diamonds love grease more than water, so they stick while other minerals wash away. Dense media separation shows lighter rock floating, while denser stuff, like diamond, sinks. Now you've got rough diamonds. Security tightens. Every bag is weighed, logged, and watched. Sorting starts. Shape, color, clarity, size. The aim? Maximize yield and value. One rough might become 2 stones worth more than 1 big stone, or the opposite. Planning used to be a loop and a guess. Today it's sci-fi, 3D scans, and internal laser maps. Software simulates dozens of cuts to squeeze out the best combo of carat weight, brilliance, and cash value. Time to cut. Step 1, sawing. Step 1, cleaving. Lasers slice the rough along crystal planes, or a diamond-charged blade scores it. Step 2, brooding to round the girdle. Faceting is where the magic happens. A brilliant cut usually has 57 or 58 facets. On a scaife wheel charged with diamond powder, I place the stone in a dop and set precise angles. Pavilion facets first to control light return, then the crown to shape the sparkle. Angles matter. A degree off can leak light and kill brilliance. Polishing is surgical, balancing symmetry, polish grade, and optical performance, nudging microns at a time. Too aggressive and I lose carats. Too cautious and I lose fire. Fluorescence, color tint, and strain lines. I'm watching those too because they change how the diamond performs in different lighting. Not all diamonds are mined, HPHT, CVD. They still follow cutting steps. They arrive cleaner on average, but they still need smart planning, sawing, brooding, faceting, polishing. Final stop, grading. Independent labs evaluate carat, cut, color, clarity, plus fluorescence and symmetry. A laser inscription ties a report to the stone, then it's packaged, insured, and shipped. Behind the sparkle, Kimberly process, audits, cameras everywhere, chain of custody paperwork. When a finished diamond hits that showcase, you're seeing the end of a marathon, from volcanic rock, through crushers, lasers, physics, human patience, to a tiny piece of engineered light. From dirt to dazzle, that's the journey.